We're on to the second part of a small 4-part series that's meant to show how you can embed or combine different functions together and make your spreadsheets a little bit more dynamic. Yesterday was index, today is match. Match is basically just going to return the location of a value that you're looking for within a specific range. In this example, I want to know how many rows down from the top of my data we can find Big League Chew. The function is just match, open parentheses, select Big League Chew, comma, the range where we're looking, comma 0 for exact match. Excel is going to return the number 6, telling me Big League Chew can be found 6 rows down from the top. Second example, I want to know how many columns to the right we can find the word flavor in the headers. The function is match, click flavor, comma, the range where we're looking, again 0 for an exact match, close out. As we update those top values, be it Big League Chew or flavor, Excel's going to automatically update with that revised location based off of your selection. That's match. Next up is going to be index and match, where we combine those two functions and show how you can look up different values based on different criteria.